Welcome friends. In this video we will study about various links. Before going to links, we discuss URL. URL is Uniform Resource Locator. When we are using links, then we must have to pass URL to which we want to redirect our page. For example, there are various types of URL like FTP URL, HTTP URL or email URL. In this example, we will use HTTP URL or file URL. So let's see what tag is used in HTML to redirect one page to another page. In HTML, anchor tag is used to redirect one page to another page. So anchor tag is defined by a. In anchor tag, we have to pass one attribute called href, means h reference. This attribute take a value of URL to which we want to redirect our page. So href, write href is equal to, in href we have to pass full URL of page. We want to redirect our page to www.google.com. Now close this tag and write here text on which when user clicks, this page is redirected. I want to write click here and go to Google. Now close this anchor tag. So what will happen in the output? So let's run and see what will be the effect. Before running, first let's save this. We are saving. Now let's open. We can see one link is created and it is underline link. Underline specify this is the link, otherwise it is the text. Now let's click on this link. We can see page is redirected to the google.co.in and this is the home page of Google. So this is about how to redirect one page to another page which is located on the web. We can also redirect page which is in our machine or in our directory. So let's see how to redirect our page which is located in our directory. So go to our file. We are creating one more anchor tag and href. We are keeping blank href currently and write text. Complete the anchor tag. Now in href we have to pass absolute or relative path. So we are supplying relative path. I want to redirect my page to page which is created in previous video, which is the im.html and stored in 6-images folder. So let's see hierarchy of the directory. This is my links folder in which my current page is stored and I want to redirect this page to im.html which is stored in 6 images. Now I will write first im.html. Before im.html, prefix the forward slash. After that, write the folder name which is images. Before folder name, write one more forward slash and write dot dot. So this is the path and which is a relative to our directory. Now save this document and let's run these links. We can see two links are created, one for Google and another for images, which we have created using the anchor tag. Now let's click on the images. We can see our page is redirected to im.html and page is displayed. So this is how we can create a links and redirect our page to another page. Thank you.